We're going to learn how to add margins to get row and column totals. Let's take a look at a pivot table we've created before. So here we go, average salary by race and department. So one thing you might want to add to this pivot table is, all right, what is the average salary for all fire department employees, regardless of their race? And similarly, what is the average Asian salary regardless of their department? So these are the margins, and there's a margins parameter we can set to true, and this will add this down over here like such. And so this number represents the average for all fire department employees regardless of their race. This over here is actually the average. This is the bottom right hand corner. This is for all employees. This is the average salary. And this is the average salary for all Asian employees. All right, so we can double check this. And if I just get salary, these are all of the salaries, and I take the mean, I get a number that's actually a little bit off. So what has happened here is there's some missing values. So we have to be very careful what's happening. So there's some race and salary that are missing. It's really the race that is making this not align. So this is, you have to have a race and department in order to be in the pivot table. So what this is doing, what Pandas is doing, is excluding the any race that is missing. So there is actually a drop in a parameter over here. You can set equal to false. Now it doesn't add a column for missing values race. So maybe that would have been better for it to do, to have like a nan column over here. But what it does is it does update the margins over here. So now it equals the exact same 58,206 as the entire salary. So it's a little confusing. You can get a little tripped up if there are missing values in your grouping columns and you try to look at the margins. Pandas might not give you the expected result. All right, so that's it for adding margins to your pivot tables.